Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on the Redmi 15C. Alright, so let's begin. So in this video I'll show you, in my opinion, the best and the most comfortable ways of creating a backup. And I have made a lot of backups on similar devices, so in my opinion they are the best. Let's open up the settings on our Redmi 15C. Click on About Phone, scroll down, and click on Backup and Restore. Let's begin with the Xiaomi Cloud. Let's click on that, and to create a backup right in here, we need to sign in into the Xiaomi Cloud. It is necessary. Let me do it quickly, and I'll see you in a second. Alright, I just logged in. Now we need to also click on the settings right in here, and we need to allow Xiaomi Cloud to do its thing. Click on the app permissions, and when you have those things that are not allowed, simply click on them and click on allow for each one, just like that. Okay, the last thing. Okay, now we can go back. And now in here we have our free storage space in our cloud. As you can see, in my case it's in half fulfilled. Now let's click on the backups. Click on allow. In here also, if you want, you can enable to create an automatic backups, but if you choose it, there is a chance, if you don't have a premium, that you won't have free storage space to create them. Now click on backup now to backup your data. Now we need to simply wait until everything is finished. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, the backup has been successfully made. We can see the date and the hour on which it was made, and also its size. Now click on done, and now our backup is stored in our Xiaomi Cloud. So that's when it comes to the Xiaomi Cloud. And now let's go straight into the Google backups. Click on the backup. Now make sure that backup by Google One in here is enabled. And now under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. It is really important to remember this account, because, for example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here. It is really important. Also, you need to make sure that you have some free Google storage space. In my case, it's 90% used, so give me a second and I'll delete something to show you how to create this backup. Okay, now I think it should be fine. And now make sure that backup by Google One is enabled right in here. When it comes to the backup details, in here we have a list of things that will be backupped when we click the backup now button. So now let's simply hit the button. Now I also need to type my screen lock to move forward. And now the process has started. And now within a second, under the backup word, a thin bar should appear at any second. Oh, actually it didn't, so let's try again. Alright, it finally appeared. It's right in here, this bar, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it comes to the end and when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made, and we will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen if everything went successfully. So I'll see you once everything is finished. Alright, the data has been successfully backupped. I had the notification on the bottom, but we didn't see it. But also as a confirmation, we can take a look in here under the backup about Google One sentence. It says that the last backup was made 0 minutes ago, so it's also a confirmation that everything went fine. And also, as you take a look on the backup details, it says what has been copied. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.